Hey everybody, welcome to WP EasyCart. In this video we're going to walk through real quickly how to just install a simple plugin into WordPress. We're going to keep these really short and let's take a look. When you log into your WordPress, plugins are simply under the plugin section and you can go to add new and you're going to be presented with some basic plugins that WordPress offers. Now you can get plugins directly off of WordPress, and that's what this search feature will offer you. For example, if you're going to look for an e-commerce cart, you can type that in and it'll give you whatever WordPress offers. For example, EasyCart right here with the green icon. They make it really easy. All you have to do is hit install and activate, and that's what it takes to install a plugin. But you can also install plugins manually. It's really simple. Sometimes you buy a plugin online from somebody for WordPress and you might say, how do I get it on my site? And you can actually use the upload feature. And so if you take a look at EasyCart here on our site, just as an example, we actually have a free download and you can manually download this from WordPress. And so if you're out on WordPress's website like this and you're in the plugins, this would be, for example, our plugin, and you can hit download. And what it does is give you a zip file when you download. So you might say, well, how do I get those on there? And all you have to do is use the upload feature right here. It does the exact same thing that this does, which is if these are just listed and actually approved plugins on WordPress, but a lot of people don't sell or actually give away their plugins on here, and so you might be given one as a zip file. All you have to do is hit upload. All you need to do is drag your plugin in and say install, and that's it. Plugins are very simple. The other thing I'd like to show you real quick is WordPress came out with a really new feature that's nice. Is if you install a plugin that you already have installed, or maybe your plugin developer gives you a new plugin, says, hey, install this, this is what you can do, and it will actually just say, hey, your current one is 539, this one is 539, do you want to go ahead and replace it with it? Sure, and you can hit upload and you got your plugin installed. So it's a really nice feature. Before it was kind of hard to install something right over the top of another plugin. So great feature there. Just as a little point, whenever you have plugins installed, you can always come over here to your left menu, go to installed plugins, and you can see the big list of plugins that you do have installed. You can always delete them. You can also just deactivate a plugin. It's important to know that if you have a plugin that's on your system but deactivated, you can always turn it back on without losing everything. But the minute you delete a plugin, it's going to be gone for good. So that's how you install plugins on WordPress. Hope that helps. Hope that was nice and easy. For more information, just check out our YouTube channel. Search for WP EasyCart. Thanks.